friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Chip from Chip and Dale, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So let's get started right in the center with the nose, and we're going to draw in a small arch line for the top. Let's come underneath now. We're going to dip this arch further in the center, so we're going to curve this around, pulling that back up on the right. Now for the top, let's draw in a nice big sideways oval. Let's move up for the bridge of the face in the middle. So we're going to curve this up and over. Let's draw on the eyes. Stepping down on a slight diagonal, we're going to curve this line up and across on the left. We'll line this up at the exact same height on the right-hand side, replicating that, curving that over and across. Let's draw in an arch line for the eye now. So stepping in on this line, we're going to curve this around. We're going to make this wider on the left-hand side, and then we're going to curve this in on the bottom. We'll replicate that on the right. So again, curving this up as we come through to the side, making that wider, and then continuing to just tuck that in on the bottom. Let's add in the pupil. So coming down on this line, curving this around and tucking that down. Stepping over on the right, replicating that. Let's add the highlight. So on the top, drawing in a circle. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's color in those pupils black. Let's come down for the mouth now. So right in the center, we're going to curve this up and over on the left. And now from that point in the middle, we're going to replicate that on the right-hand side as well. Let's add in a corner bracket here. So we're just going to curve this over on each side. Let's come in towards the middle. For the mouth, we're going to draw in an arch line right in the center. And then for the tongue, we're going to curve that in the opposite direction. Let's draw on the teeth here. So on the left and right hand side, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line, ending those at the same height. And then we'll close this off on the bottom with a curved line. Now for the chin underneath, again, drawing in a nice big arch line, bringing that up. Let's add in the cheeks now. So on the left hand side from the chin, we're going to curve this around, tucking that up. And then we'll do the same thing, lining that up at the same height on the right, tucking this around and through on the side. Now, on the bottom, we're going to bring this line down. And then from that point, just curving this back around and in. Now on the side, we're going to step in from this line, curving this out again. And then from that point, we're just going to round this out, tucking that in on the side. Now from that edge, let's curve this up to the top. And then now we're going to arch this in towards our eye. Just making sure we leave a gap. Let's close off the top of the head. So stepping in on this line, we're going to round this out, curving this over, flattening this out in the center. And then we'll continue this as we come over on the right, arching this all the way around and down. Now from the middle, stepping out, we're going to curve this all the way up, arching this around and back down to that line on the edge. And we'll replicate this on the right as well, curving this up, bringing this all the way around and down on the side. Let's thicken this line up on the top. So starting back on this line, we're going to curve this over and in. And then we'll replicate that on the right as well. Now let's color in the top black. Let's draw on the ears. So from the center, stepping out, we're going to curve this line across. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now from that point on the top, we're going to round this out, curving this over and in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right hand side as well, tucking that down. Now stepping in a small distance, we're just going to curve this up to the top again. And then now from that point, we're going to round this out, tucking this over and in on the top. And that is it. That's how you draw chip for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.